So I had to return an Amazon package today, and while I was there, I saw this box just like chilling in the candy, like someone decided that they weren't going to get it. So I was like, what's in the box? I was like, discounted Valentine stuff. I should probably turn the light on or something. Discounted Valentine stuff. So I don't think it's terribly expensive. It was like $50. But yeah, it was discounted down to 10. And then because of the Amazon return, like it was discounted an additional 25% off. So it's like $7.50. And then for like 3 sets, it was like $2.50 each. So I figured that'd be a nice cheap gift since I didn't really get anything interesting for Valentine's Day. It's always expensive crap, so I saw this was really cheap, and you know, I decided I would put image on text and write some funny things. I don't know, try and do something funny. Here's some zip ties and electric tape. You know, delicious cheese on the inside. Emergency reserves, 51 cents as well, just in case you need to buy a gumball or something. But yeah, pretty cool. Pretty camera. Okay, anyway, that's enough of that. So, good times.